Guys, last time I gave you a homework and the solution for that is this. Alright, if you could not do it, please do it now. And if you need any help, please ask me in WhatsApp in the group. Alright, today we will be discussing. Last time we discussed not repayable. Okay, means you do not have to repay, but here you have to repay. Alright, means there will be a value which you have to repay, so formula will also change. Now let's see a question here under preference share capital. Okay, preference share capital is given and then you have to repay, and after repayment the value is given for repayment, some information is given for repayment. Your work is to calculate the preference share capital, the cost of preference share capital. All right, now let's see the question first. So company has issued 10,000 shares. 10% is the name of the preference share, means this is the rate of dividend. Rate of dividend is 10%. 10% of the face value which you will get using the number and the total face value. Is it okay? Face value of one share is this much, number of shares is 10,000. So total face value will be 10,000 into 100 rupees. Is it okay? So using this total face value we will get here, so total face value here will be 10,000 into 100. All right, so you can easily calculate this, and then 10% of it will be the dividend. I hope this is clear. All right, now let's see further. So first of all, I gave you this formula last time. Okay, and I told you also, if repayable, okay, if repayable preference shares are given, then use this formula, repayable preference shares. All right, then use this formula and read the question. You will understand whether it is repayable or not. So it is written redeemable. Redeemable also means repayable. All right, that's why we are using this formula. Now let's see the formula. D stands for the dividend which you have to pay. Okay, and this is the market value. All right, this is the market value at which the preference shares are being traded in the market. Okay, it is also the value which you have to repay. Remember the market value or the repayment value. You see here, if you see here, the formula is given. Okay, and MV, I told you this time, last time also, market value or maturity value which you have to pay. And sometimes if maturity value is not given, then you can take face value. Okay, sometimes maturity value is not given, then you will take the face value, means as it is, but most of the time it will be given to you or you have to calculate. All right, calculation means either at par, at premium or at discount. So it will not be face value only, it will change. If it is at par, face value. If it is a premium, add the value of premium. If it is a discount, then premium will not be there, minus discount. All right, so face value minus discount will be the maturity value. I hope this is so. Let's see here. All right, one by one let's see the values. So first of all, dividend value. Dividend value, let's see how it is. So total number of shares we have here is 10,000. Face value of one share is 100. So total value will be getting is 10,000 into 100. So we got 10 lakh rupees. And 10% premium means dividend will be 10% of this value. 10% of this value. So it will be very easy. Just reduce 10, you will understand the value of dividend. Alright, 10% of this will be 10% of this will be 1 lakh rupees. Okay, that's why dividend here is 1 lakh. I hope this calculation is okay. 10% because it's written 10% preference share, means 10% is the dividend. How do you get total face value? Multiplying these two. All right, and 10% of it will be rupees 1 lakh. That's how I got dividend. I hope this portion is clear. After that, formula is asking you for maturity value. All right, so maturity value, first they have taken n and here 1. Okay, remember divided by n or multiplied by 1 by n, it will be same. So here 1 by 10, you can see the question, number of years is given 10, that's why 1 by 10. Is it okay? If number of years given 5, you'll write 1 by 5. Number of years 2, 1 by 2. Alright. Now this maturity value. Alright. Now read the question. The company issues these many shares. Okay. The dividend percentage is this. Face value of one share is this. Redeemable after 10 years is this. Premium. At a premium. You are issuing at a premium. Okay. Then, thank you, sir. Then once you are done with this thing calculation of this premium value, and then check the cost of issue also. So cost of issue is this much. Now check properly. They said these shares are redeemable after 10 years at a premium. That means though it is issued at 100 rupees, okay, repayment after 10 years will be at premium. Means issue is at par, 100 rupees only, 100 rupees only. All right. When you're repaying, it is at a premium. So at the time of repayment, okay, which is here maturity value, how will you calculate? You'll take the face value plus premium, you have to pay something extra. I hope this is clear. Read the question properly. Issue is at the rate of 100. Then they started talking about repayment after 10 years at a premium. So at the time of repayment, face value plus premium. But at the time of issue, okay, only 100 rupees. I hope this is clear. All right. So MV, let's see how to calculate MV. Okay, maturity value here. So I know face value will be, my total face value will be 10,000 shares into rupees 100 total face value. All right. So this is the value I got, 10,000 into 100. This is the total face value. All right. Now as per as maturity value is concerned, how much do I have to pay? I have to pay, okay, at the time of maturity I have to pay my face value plus something extra. This is what question is saying. Okay. And face value here is 10 lakh rupees. All right. 10 lakh rupees plus premium, and premium is how much? 5%. So 5% of 10 lakh, okay, premium set 5%, no, so 5% of this 10 lakh will be 50,000. All right. So that's why they got 10 lakh 50,000. I hope this is clear. If you did not understand, you just rewind the video and watch again. All right. Now let's discuss this net proceedings. Net proceedings. Now how do we calculate net proceedings? Net proceedings means how much you got at the time of issue. So here in the question they said at the time of issue you're issuing 10,000 shares at the rate of rupees 100 each, and then nothing else. And they started talking about redeemable after 10 years. Means after that they started talking about repayment, not at the time of issue, they're talking about repayment. So issue thing is only on 10,000 into 100 rupees, so it will be as it is, 10,000 into 100 rupees. That's how we got 10 lakh rupees. All right. So issue time we got 10 lakh rupees, but at the time of issue there was a cost. The cost of issue was 2 rupee per share. All right. So 2 rupee per share here means out of 100 rupees every 2 rupees went out, means you are receiving only 98 rupees. Is it okay? So we can calculate on the basis of 98 rupees on 10,000 shares. We can calculate this way also, or else 2 rupees out of 100 means 2%. Okay, 2 rupees out of every 100 rupees, rupees got cancelled. If I want to convert into percentage, okay, 100 got cancelled, so 2%. Is it okay? So on the basis of that we got 2%. So that means what I can do is net proceedings, I can easily calculate total money which I got at the time was 10 lakh minus cost of issue, okay, 2% of it. So 2% of it will be 2 ones are 2. Okay, so it's going to be 20,000 rupees. Okay, 2% to 100, no, two zeros got cancelled. All right, so 10 lakh rupees, two zeros got cancelled, so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so four zeros got remaining, rupees 20,000. All right, so my cost is 20,000. All right, then I will remove out of 10 lakh, 10 lakh minus 20,000, it will be 9 lakh 80,000. That's how I got net proceedings 9 lakh 80,000. Another way to calculate this net proceedings is, I'm showing all the way so that you understand, in exam you can deal with it. So out of every share, face value is rupees 100, and I have to bear a cost rupees 90, rupees 2, no, out of every share cost is rupees 2. So actually my net proceedings is, out of one share, rupees 98. And how many shares do I have? I have 10,000 shares, so I'll simply multiply and I will get total net proceedings. Okay, so 98 rupees into 10,000 shares, every share is giving me 98 rupees, and I am issuing 10,000 shares, so it will be 98 into 10,000, so 98 10,000. All right, so four zeros, 2 3 4 zeros, it's 9 lakh 80,000. See, 9 lakh 80,000. This is another way of calculating. All right, so we are done with D, we are done with MVN. This one also we are done. Okay, 100 you can put, 1 by 2 you can put according to the formula. This we have already calculated from here, this you have already calculated here. Now put the values and you will get the answer. All right, I hope this is okay. Please do ask questions if you have any issues. Now your work is to watch the video and write down the question and solve on your own. And I want you to do the working notes. Show me how did you get this, show me how you did this. All right, here they have done the shortcut, did not show you how they are getting 10 lakh 50,000, how they are getting 9 lakh 80,000. This is your work. First you show me how you got this, second you show me how you're getting 98,000. All right, means net proceeding calculation and maturity value calculation you have to do. This is your homework. Thank you so much.